Greetings to all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Sanchita Sanand, a first year law student from Galgotias University and currently working as a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I am here to talk about the Social Security Code of 2020. So the Social Security Code 2020 has been passed by both the houses of the Parliament and received presidential assent on September 28, 2020. The Social Security Code has been enacted to amend and consolidate the laws relating to Social Security with the goal to extend sectors. The Social Security Code has vital provisions with respect to Social Security benefits to workers, including gig workers, and this video aims to summarize some of the important provisions introduced by the Social Security Code. So, first of all, let us have a look on what are the key definitions under the Social Security Code. First is aggregator. Aggregator has been defined as a digital intermediary or a marketplace for a buyer or user of a service to connect with the seller or the service provider. Second definition is of employee. Employee has been defined as any person employed on wages by an establishment either directly or through a contractor to do any skilled, semi-skilled or unskilled manual, operational, supervisory, managerial, administrative, technical, clerical or any other work whether the terms of employment be express or implied. The employee of definition may vary for different chapters under the Social Security Code based on the quantum of wages such as an employee earns. Then, the definition of gig worker. Gig worker under the Social Security Code has been defined as a person who performs work or participates in a work arrangement and earns from such activities outside of traditional employer-employee relationship. Then, platform work. Platform work has been defined as a work arrangement outside of a traditional employer employee relationship in which organizations or individuals use an online platform to access other organizations or individuals to solve specific problems or to provide specific services or any such other activities which may be notified by the central government in exchange for payment. And a platform worker has been defined as a person engaged in or undertaking a platform work. Then is the definition of Social Security. Social Security under the Social Security Code means the measures of protection afforded to employees, unorganized workers, gig workers and platform workers to ensure access to health care and to provide income security, particularly in case of old age, unemployment, sickness, invalidity, work injury, maternity, or loss of a breadwinner by means of rights conferred on them and schemes framed under the Social Security Code. Then is about the unorganized sector. Unorganized sector means an enterprise owned by individuals or self-employed workers and engaged in the production or sale of goods or providing service of any kind whatsoever and where the enterprise employs workers. The number of such workers is less than 10. Now, what are the benefits that have been provided to gig workers and platform workers under this Social Security Code? The Social Security Code currently does not provide for any specific social security to be provided to gig workers and platform workers. However, it provides the right to the central government and state government to notify schemes for such workers related to life and disability cover, health and maternity, provident fund, employment injury benefit, housing, etc. So the Social Security Code mandates that the schemes may be funded through a combination of contributions from the central government, state governments and aggregators. The central and state government along with such schemes shall also prescribe the records that are required to be maintained in relation to such gig workers and platform workers. So the Social Security Code also mandates that every unorganized worker, gig worker, or platform worker is required to be registered subject to the fulfillment of the following conditions. So, what are these conditions? First is that he or the worker has completed 16 years of age or any other prescribed age, and second, he has submitted a self declaration containing information prescribed by the central government. Then every eligible unorganized worker, gig worker, or platform worker is to make an application for registration along with prescribed documents including Aadhaar number, and such worker shall be assigned a distinguishable number to his application. Whether such schemes would be applicable to all unorganized workers, gig workers, and platform workers, irrespective of the quantum of salary earned by them, will depend on the final form of the schemes introduced by the state or the central government. So, this Social Security Code will subsume various existing labor laws in India. The Social Security Code has widened the coverage by including the unorganized sector as well, fixed term employees and gig workers, platform workers, etc., in addition to contract employees. It will be therefore very important for establishments to access the implications and revisit the compliance requirements under the Social Security Code once it is brought into effect. So, this was all about the Social Security Code that was passed on September 28, 2020. So, thank you so much for devoting your time and listening to my video. If you really liked it, then please like, share, and comment. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel Let's Click for more upcoming such videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.